Hi, Brian from Sipkens Nurseries here, and this year we are introducing a exciting gift that you can give to a family member or friend or yourself for next spring. This year we're introducing two bundles for gardening next year. So our first is a vegetable garden bundle, and what we've done is we've picked the top selling vegetable plants, the most favorite varieties, and we put together a package so that you can get started on a garden nice and easy. It includes the plants, the plant starts, fertilizer, and material to improve your soil so that you're set up for success in 2023. So this package here has all vegetable transplants. We have romaine lettuce, green bush beans, orange bell peppers, red bell peppers, jalapenos of course, and tomato, the sweet million, which is the nice cherry, the big beef tomato. We've got some sweet potato plants, zucchinis in gold and green, a cucamelon, and the patio snacker cucumber, and a package of onion bulbs. So this package here, it gives you a really good rounded start for vegetable gardening. So whether you're new at it or whether you want to dabble in it again, this is a great way to get started. So it includes a 2.2 cubic foot bale of peat moss for improving your soil. It includes a organic fertilizer for feeding your vegetable plants. And we will be adding more videos later on how to actually get planted and get the garden growing. So we have it all put together for you, and it is an $84 package, and it includes taxes and all the materials that I just told you about. And you can order it now on our Shopify page through the link off of our email or in our Facebook, and have it set ready for you for May long weekend next year. And this is a great gift item as well. If you would like a gift receipt, just enter in the comments or notes on the order, and we will send you a gift receipt so that you can give it to friends and family. That's one package, and the other package is for fruit gardening. And the fruit gardening package includes 3 strawberry plants, a red rhubarb, a blackberry, and ever-bearing raspberry plant. And these 6 plants here, as well as the fertilizer that we have for the vegetables, and a 3-in-1 planting mix so that you have everything you need to do a perennial garden of fruit and vegetable plants, if you include rhubarb as a fruit. And that also is all available as a package, and taxes in for $99. And that also can be ordered on Shopify for next spring's pickup May long weekend. We hope that you're as excited as we are about this, and that as we go into the dark days of winter, that we are already thinking about spring coming again.